Once upon a time, in a peaceful, idyllic village, nestled between verdant hills and meandering rivers, in a little house adorned with blossoming flowers, lived a small girl named Lily, who dreamed larger than life itself. Her heart housed dreams as vast as the blue sky, and her curiosity kindled an insatiable thirst to explore the rich woods that were her backyard. She would find joy in the simplest of things: a rustling leaf, a blossoming flower, or a critter scurrying around. As the sun played hide and seek amidst the glistening green canopies, she stumbled upon a scene that would transform her life. Stuck in a spider's intricate web, struggling between life and thread, was a tiny fairy named Flora. Dressed in kaleidoscopic shimmer, Flora was no bigger than a powder blue butterfly, her wings ensnared within the spider's deadly trap. Lily's heart echoed with empathy as she tenderly untangled Flora, setting her free. Overwhelmed with gratitude, Flora promised to grant Lily a wish. Illuminated by radiant innocence, Lily